Hi all, I'm Lasantha.Sanjeewa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate one of the cool project. This is the article I wrote by recently. It is automatically stopping EC2 instance using AWS Lambda and EventBridge. In this case, I use Python as the runtime and create Lambda function for automatically stop EC2 instance. And also after that, I'll integrate EventBridge for automation. Uh, okay. I first of all, I go into the EC2 console and create two EC2 instances. Uh, you can select launch instance. You can select any region that is not applied for this demonstration and give the name. I do as test VM1 and give the OS type. You can select any OS type like Ubuntu or anything. I'll select Amazon Linux and actually select Titomato. You can select any instance type also and key pair. You can select POSIT key pair or POSIT without key pair like this anything. But in this demonstration, no need to key pair also. One thing I need to do and I create two and launch instance because I need two instances. Wait until EC2 instance is provisioning. Okay, now is 2 is to instant provision and I need to rename as the 2 and also I need to wait until status check is complete. Uh, Meanwhile, I'll goes to Lambda and goes to Lambda console and need to create function. I'll select function. Please check whether region is better. Select same region like EC2 for Ohio and Lambda for Ohio like this better because otherwise sometimes this problem happen. And function name I will select as demo EC2 stop or something. I will keep the name also and I will note down it because it's needed for next step. And runtime I'll select as Python 3.9. You can select any runtime and change default execution or other thing on it. I'll select architecture also ARM 64 and let's create function. Okay, function is created. Meanwhile, you need to do one thing. Please check this is status check pass or not. No, it's still not pass, but I can copy this is two institutional instance IDs because this ID is needed for next step and copied it. Okay, now goes to there and we need to change this code. In this scenario, in my in my doc post, I will add this code also. You can redirect to there and come to AWS and copy this code. That is the GitHub JITs file and you can copy it. And after that, you need to remove existing code and you need to remove existing code and paste it and make sure to check your region. Region, if you are select Ohio, select US is 2. If you are North Virginia, US is done. Like this, you need to change and give the instance ID. I'll select instance ID as first instance ID and this is my second instance ID. That's the reason I say that because note down instance IDs and next thing I going to deploy it. Okay, now deployment is successful. Meanwhile, check this status pass or not. Okay. Uh, okay, its status is pass. That's fine. Next thing we need to provide the permissions. That case, go into configuration section, permission tab, go to AMP role, In here, we need to give access to EC2. Otherwise, Lambda cannot control EC2 service. And going to their add permission. I'll select as Lambda, not Lambda. I need EC2 and EC2 full access and add permission. Add EC2 full access permission for this role. Okay, now Lambda having full access to EC2 instance. And next thing I need to go there and next thing I can test now. I will go to test and create test event. I will select a test run or something and select test. Okay, you can see test result. You can see start request ID. Your EC2 instance has been stopped. And go there EC2 instance and refresh it. You can see your EC2 instance is stopping. That's the thing I need to demonstrate. Also, I'll going to automate it. And this case, I will I will wait until this one complete. Meanwhile, I'll show you one thing because we need to attach. I'm going to the Lambda function and going to add trigger. I'm going to trigger a section and I will select as EventBridge. S16 rule we use create new rule and rule name. I will select demo EC2 instance rule or something and description automate EC2 stop or something and I'll select schedule pattern and in here I need to give pattern because note down it in here you need to consider this time given as a UTC. If you are working IST time, you need to convert it because otherwise it's not working. I will give you one tool. You can convert it UST to IST time. This tool because now my time is 6:50 a.m. I will select as 6:55 a.m. 6:53 a.m. and 1:23 a.m. That is the UTC time. Okay, 6:53 a.m. equal to 1:23 a.m. I will get it, and I need to add a cron job here. I will go there and I can use cron job like this because I will show you it. This is my notepad, and I will select now. I need to select. I will need to add tone. Uh, that is the time 23. Hour is 1. 16. Today date is 18. Year is I need to wait until I will add. Okay, I will use like this syntax. Instead of that, I will choose like this cron because I need to run every day and 1:30 because this demonstration I need to showcase it and I will select as that is the hour. I will select 20. Now time is 23. No, we can use 24 and hour is 1. and you can use this cron job and copy it and going to add trigger schedule. Okay, that is the cron job. It's run on 1 a.m. 1 and 24, and it's add trigger. Now time is 23. I will going to manually start instance because otherwise this not affect. Okay, I'll start it. Okay, you can see now my instance is now, you can see configure going to yeah, you can go into triggers and you can see my event bridge trigger, and it's in start on 1 a.m. and 24 because this one initial uh time is 6:54 equal to 120. 54 means 124. Now 53 time my EC2 instance is now up and running. You can see now initial check is running, but instance is running. You can see, wait a minute, and how affect my EC2 instance. Okay, now 54. I will wait until, see, that is stopping. That is stopping. My function is working. It's automatically running Lambda function and stopping the EC2 instance. Okay, that is the project I need to showcase. Now I'll show architecture diagram. This is the architecture diagram. This is event with rule app attached to every week or every day, every month. Like this, you can use any role and event with role and Lambda function, and after that Lambda function is stop the EC2 instance. And this is my architect. This is my documentation, and I'll put in the description section also. Thank you very much. Watch this video. In yourself, try it out. And this is very cool project. Add your resume. Thank you very much.